Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to unsubscribe from TOME AI. You'll have to basically follow these steps. So as you can see, the first step is composing a new email to TOME's support address, that is support@tome.page. So head over to your browser, go to the search bar, search for Gmail and go to mail.google.com. So head over to your Gmail now, click on the compose button at the top left corner, and in the to section you'll have to basically enter this email address, that is support@tome.page. So enter this email. Now in the email subject line, clearly state that you want to cancel your subscription. So go to the subject line and type in "I want to cancel my subscription." Now head over to your body of your email and briefly mention your request to unsubscribe from TOME AI in the email body and click on the send option. And when you click on send, your email will be sent to TOME's support team. They will review your email and will contact you for the cancellation of your TOME subscription. So click on send and your TOME's AI subscription will be cancelled after the support team reviews your application. And it might take a few business days for TOME to process your cancellation request. So that's how you cancel your TOME subscription. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.